In this video, I'll show you a simple trading method that can help you achieve remarkable returns. I understand this sounds too good to be true, but please remain with me for the length of this video and I show you how we can make the system even better with my optimization techniques. And if you want to see more content like this, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any of our new videos. With everything out of the way, let's get started with today's video. Like most trading systems, it can be applied to forex, crypto, options, stocks, indices, or any instrument that has significant volume and market participants. This trading strategy uses two free TradingView indicators. I will leave the settings to all the trading rules in the description below. First, let us discuss the indicators that we will use in our strategy. The first indicator that we will be using is called the Super Bollinger Trend. If you want to get the indicator on TradingView, then follow these steps. First, open up a chart on TradingView. Then click on the Indicators button. A small window like this will appear, then type in Super Bollinger Trend in the search bar. Now click on the first indicator, make sure that the name of the creator is Simon, if I am pronouncing the name right. Now you have successfully plotted the indicator. This is how the indicator will look. If you are using any other trading platform, then just Google the indicator and download it for your particular trading platform. But in my opinion, using TradingView is much easier. You can create a free TradingView account from the link in the video description. Alright, this is the indicator and as you can see, it's in the form of some buy and sell signals, alongside with these green and red lines and triangles. This indicator is a combination of super trend and Bollinger Bands. As you know, super trend is a trend indicator and Bollinger Bands is a volatility indicator. By combining these two, considering both of trend direction and volatility, it can help us to have a more comprehensive view of the market based on both of trend and volatility. In other words, it helps us to discover areas of the market where high volatility levels causes a stronger movement of the market. As you know, volatility can affect trends either by expanding them or contracting them, which means we can have increased volatility in the current direction of the market. So expanding of the trend and having greater price movement in the current direction of the market. Or on the other hand, decreased volatility can contract trends which causes pullbacks or range market and consolidation, and after that increased volatility can trigger breakouts, which can be a trend reversal or continuation of the prior trend. So to have a better and comprehensive understanding of the market, we need to analyze volatility and trends in conjunction with each other so we can discover potential movements of the market. And this indicators, by combining two of the most popular and commonly used trend indicator and volatility indicator, which is super trend and Bollinger Bands, it helps us to easily analyze the market and find potential areas of the price movement. As you can see, this indicator gives us some buy and sell signals which are based on color changing and actually position changing of this line. When it changes from red to green, it's a buy signal and the line goes below the price, and when it changes from green to red, it's a sell signal and the line goes above the price. This indicator shows every turning points of the market including the pullbacks, as you can see in both downtrends and uptrends, which is confusing and don't provide us any good trading opportunities. For example, here you can see that the price is in a downtrend and these long position signals are just showing pullbacks within this downtrend. But on the other hand, all these short position signals are profitable. To solve this problem, we are going to add another trend following indicator. This indicator will help us to identify trend, which means we should somehow filter these false pullback signals, which don't provide us any good trading opportunity, and only take the signals that are in the overall direction of the market. To add this second indicator, go to the indicator tab as usual and type in MACD. This one, moving average convergence divergence, click on it and it will be added onto your chart. If you're an experienced trader, you probably used or heard about this MAC indicator before, but let me explain a bit how the MACD actually works and how we're going to use it in this strategy. The MACD is made up of four different components: the MACD line, the signal line, the histogram, and the zero line. The MACD line, which is the blue line in most cases, is usually a 12-day moving average. The signal line, which is the orange line, is usually a 26-day moving average. Next we have the histogram, which represents the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. So for example, the smaller the space between the two lines, the smaller the histogram gets, the bigger the space, the bigger it gets. We are now going to use all of this MACD features in this strategy, so with the special settings it would be a great match for this indicator. Go to the setting cap of this indicator, and here for the fast length we set it at 100, for the slow length we set it at 200, and for signal smoothing we set it at 50. Then we go to the Style tab and we remove MACD line and Signal line because we only need the histogram. Alright, as you can see, this MACD histogram is perfectly showing us the overall trend of the market. With that said, let's go over entry criteria and review some examples. Also, the strategy rules and details are listed in the description below. The rules to enter long on this strategy are: when MACD histogram is green, we look for a buy signal on the Super Bollinger Trend, which is signified by a green triangle pointed up. All of that happens on this candle here. That is our trigger candle. We placed our stop at the previous swing low and target 2 to 1. And this one hits our target. When it's green, the trend is up. And in this situation, we only take these buy signals. We don't care about these sell signals when MACD histogram is green. If you enjoy this content, make sure to click that like button. We have one more long example. The MACD histogram is green, the Super Bollinger Trend gives us a buy signal. This is our trigger candle. We placed our stop at the swing low and target 2 to 1, and this one also hits our target. Now we flip the shorts. This is what I will test for shorts. First, MACD histogram must be red. Second, we get a Super Bollinger Trend sell signal, which is this red triangle pointed down. This is our trigger candle. And please remember to wait for the candle to close. We target 2 times the risk and this one strikes our target. I'm going to show you one more quick short example. The MACD histogram is red, we have a Super Bollinger Trend sell signal. This is our trigger candle. Our target is 2 to 1 and this setup crushes our 2 to 1 target. When the MACD histogram is red, the trend is down. And in this situation, we only take these sell signals. We don't care about these buy signals when MACD histogram is red. I'm going to give you some ideas on how we can make this system better, because here, during range markets, we have increased false signals. MACD is not able to show us a range market and it just alternates above and below zero when the market is in a trading range. You can use some indicators like ADX, this one average directional index, which can help you with trending and non-trending markets. If you're familiar with ADX, so you know that when it's below 20, it shows non-trending markets, and when it goes above 20, it shows trending markets. Other effective way for knowing if the market is trending or not trending is using price action analysis. You can also add the 2 exponential moving average for easy identification of the trend. Also, if you're thinking of using this strategy, please do all the required back testing and be sure to let our community know what you discover in the comments section. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for us. We will answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of our new videos.